So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to rotate text here on VN video editor. So to add some text to your video, go to the middle here to where it says add a subtitle. Go ahead, press the T with the plus and then press title. So if I were to go ahead here and just press add a setting here and I'll just go rotate text, I'll then make it a little bit easier for you guys to see like that. And I will ultimately increase the size of it. So if you wanted to rotate the text, the simplest way to do it is to press on the text right here. So press on the text. Right below, there's that circle. Go ahead and you can sort of rotate it this way. You can kind of play around with it, do what you got to do. I believe you might be able to do it this way as well, if I'm not mistaken. So there's some other... so you can change the position here. You can kind of do what you got to do, but once again, the easiest way is to press the text right here. So just press the text. If you wanted to rotate it upside down, for example, you can do that. Go ahead and play the video right here, which I will do. And now the text is rotated the way you wanted it to. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to rotate text on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.